You said your repeat of second year. So
Yeah,
you've been at Bournemouth University for 3 years.
basically, yeah,
So
technically,
if
yeah.
we go back of where you've been living, where did you live in your first year?
First year, I lived in a student accommodation, Purbeck House.
And what did you think
Um,
of it?
it was, to be honest, yeah, it was actually good. Like I actually liked it. Um, Even though I feel like some people didn't like they thought the rooms were a bit smaller. Now for me, it was like big because my room's actually kind of small, like tiny. But for me, it's kind of like an upgrade.
Hey,
But anything, yeah, yeah. So I actually liked it. I guess just like growing up with like a little less, yeah, you tend to appreciate stuff like these, like compared to other people.
mm.
So for me, it was just like it was actually nice having that independency, my own space.
Mm.
And doing my own stuff. So it was good.
And your second year?
Second year, it was actually really lit. That was yeah, it was actually really good.
You stayed in the same
I liked
Purbeck?
it. No, no, I moved to Oxford Point, a new building that got built, so it's kind of like an upgrade in a sense, but it was really good. Roommates were amazing. I had lots of fun and that. So yeah.
And third year?
Third year, I moved to Corf House, a little bit far compared to where I lived at. It was good. That third year was actually good, yeah.
Where is Corf House for it to be far from the others?
Because Corf House is located in Poole, so it's like whereas from Public House up to Point, it would take like roughly like 10 minutes to get there by bus. Whereas Poole was like at least 20-30 minutes
To get to
from uni.
university?
Yeah, yeah, to get to
So it's
uni.
just a bit more far out than the others.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Especially in the morning when there's traffic here, it gets like,
Would you say it's worth the travel from Corf House to university?
um, I mean, what do you mean like worth? Like,
So
I don't know.
obviously, like you said, it takes about 20, 30 minutes to get to university. So
Mm.
is it worth that extra half an hour? That what you pay, is it worth like for what you get in the obviously the room, the facilities? Is it better to just get a cheaper accommodation that's closer and get the same things, or should you pay more or less to go to Corf House?
To be honest, yeah, I don't really have that high standard. Like for me, going long journeys, like that's just me in it. So I don't mind it because I could just be chilling, relaxing and that. So for me, I don't really make a fuss over um small stuff like that. For me, like
So
probably
it
for
is
others, yeah,
small.
it might be a bit of a journey.
So that it's just a little trip just to university, maybe longer than
Yeah,
others.
yeah,
Not too
yeah,
bad.
yeah, yeah. I
Okay,
don't mind it.
so